In today's highly competitive world, it is essential to be updated with new skills and technology. Thus, e-learning apps are becoming extremely popular among different age groups. As per the market analysis, 2020 till 2025, the virtual learning market is expected to increase by 200%. There is a lot of scope for your own e-learning platform. All you have to do is to partner with the right mobile company. So in this video, we will gonna give you a demo for e-learning platform. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. What comes to mind when we hear the word dashboard? Of course, it's the all-in-one visibility of all the vital information that the admin requires. So in this section, the admin can view the total number of users, total tutors, total artisans, total books, schools, total handouts, total courseworks, total assignments. Let's move on to users. The admin can now review, manage, add, search the information of all its users by making changes to the existing information. The admin has the complete control over the customers and can view their ID, profile photo, username, type, first name, middle name, last name, email, phone number, total number of books, assignments, hangouts, and so on. They can edit and delete the user anytime. Admin can also have the option to export the entire data in the form of an Excel sheet using this button. Next we have books. This is the section from where the admin can add a book by clicking on this Add Book button. In order to add the book, the admin has to put the cover image, title, choose the file, select a user, author, edition, ISBN number, description, amount, the discount which admin wants to offer for the book, final amount, page count, and once this information will be added, the admin has to click on the submit button to add a book. Now this is the section from where the admin can see the list of books which are already added and can mark it as recommended, featured, and can also check the creation date. From here, the admin can edit and delete the existing book and can also search for it. One of the excellent feature we offer is the ability for admin to add a school and to view the list of schools. So here, the admin will put a cover image, name, email, select a user, select country, select state, add the phone number, add the website link, summary, date of origin, school population, total number of teachers, proprietor name, street address, city, PO box, and so on. Here the admin can see the list of schools which has been already added. The admin can see the job count, classes count, event count, creation date of school, and can edit and delete the existing ones. The admin can also search for a school using this option. Let me give you a brief on handouts. The functionality and features we have in the admin panel for the same. So handouts is basically a free document that's given to a student to explain something in a class. So in this section from where we will add a handout by clicking on the add handout button, the admin has to put the cover image, upload the file, add the title, select a user, select the user's school, description, total amount, total discount, which the admin has to offer for the same, final amount, page count, and by clicking on the submit button, the admin can post the handout. Here the admin can view the list of handouts we have. The admin can download the same by clicking on the download button. The admin can check the total number of downloads, total number of views, document size, rating, creation date, and can further edit and delete the existing handout. The admin can also search for a handout by the school name, title, or ID. In higher education, a course is a unit of teaching that typically lasts one academic term, is led by one or more instructors, and has a fixed roster of students. So we are discussing about courseworks because we are talking here for e-learning platform. And in e-learning platform, it is very important to add a coursework for a particular student. So this is the section from where the admin can add a coursework for a student by adding a cover image, title, uploading a file, selecting a user's schools, put the description, add the amount, fill the discounted price, final amount, and total page count. By clicking on submit button, the coursework will get created and the admin can see the list of courseworks which was created by him and can also download the same by clicking on the download button. The admin can view the total number of downloads, views, document size, rating, creation date of a coursework. He or she can also edit or delete the same anytime and can also search for a coursework by putting the title, school name, and so on. From this section of the panel, the admin can view the assignment list. The admin can download the assignments, can check the status, whether the payment is pending, whether it is open for acceptance. The admin can check the deadline, document size, when the assignment was created, and can take the actions on it accordingly. The admin can also search for an assignment by using the search button at the top. In order to make payments, the admin has to click on the payment app. Here, the admin can see the list of payments. When the admin will click on the assignment tab, the admin can check and review the payment status of the assignments. The admin can review it with respect to a user and an assignment. Here the admin can also search for a user by clicking on the search button and can check the payment he has made for that particular assignment. By clicking on the books section, the admin can review and view the payments which has been made for different books with respect to a user. From the handouts section, the admin can check the payments which has been made for different handouts, again with respect to the user, and can also review the title, reference ID, and their status. Similarly, the admin can check the payments for different courseworks and check the status, the amount the user has made for the same, the creation date. Next, we have the section to manage the CMS. If you are looking for a feature where you can manage the About Us, Terms and Conditions, and FAQ pages, this is the best platform for you. You can add, delete, or change the same from here, and it will be reflected accordingly on the website under the footer section and on the application as well. From the FAQ section, you can add your questions and answers, and you can edit and delete the same. This is the Add FAQ button from where you can do the same. That was all about the e-learning platform's admin panel, and as you can see, it was extremely simple to use. So if you plan to launch your own e-learning platform, I recommend that you click on the link in the description and assist us in getting this panel ready for your business. You can also email us at sales@aptunix.com or DM us on our social media handles. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell to stay up to date for new videos. Thank you.